Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series on Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics 2. Myself Jaimin Pandya, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department of LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's continue with the chapter number 1, which is a phase equilibria. Before going into lecture, let's recall what we have understand in previous lecture. In previous lecture, discuss about the Raoults law and Henry's law. So, Raoults law that used for the ideal solution, where Henry's law which used for the dilute solution. Raoults law which equation that given by YIP is equal to XIPI saturated, where Henry's equation given by YIP is equal to XIHI. In Henry's law, this vapor pressure is replaced by the Henry's constant. Raoults law mostly used for the ideal solution, where Henry's law used for the dilute solution. Suppose that there is one beaker in which there is a water. Now, if we want to pass ammonia from this water, then if we want to study behavior of VLE of this absorbed ammonia in this water, we cannot use Raoults law because it's only applicable for the ideal solution, and which assumptions is the component is chemically similar in solution. But if NH3 is absorbed in H2O, then component will be dissimilar. So if we want to calculate VLE, vapor liquid equilibrium data for this type of system, we cannot apply Raoults law. We have to go for the Henry's law, where we are going to use Henry's constant for particular component. Then discuss about the bubble point calculation and dew point calculation. Bubble point calculation that can be given by P is equal to summation of Xi Pi saturated, where dew point calculation that can be given by P is equal to 1 upon summation of Yi Pi saturated. So this is all about what we have understand from the previous lecture. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about vapor liquid equilibrium by modified Raoults law. Then we are going to discuss about the K value correlation for the Raoults law and modified Raoults law, and then going to discuss about flash calculation, or can say that high pressure VLE. So let's first start with vapor liquid equilibrium by modified Raoults law. For low to moderate pressure, much more realistic equation for vapor liquid equilibrium result when the second major Raoults law assumption is abundant and account is taken of deviation from solution ideality in liquid phase. So second assumption for Raoults law, which is liquid phase is the ideal solution. But if liquid phase is not ideal solution, we cannot use Raoults law. For this, we have to go for the modified Raoults law. Due to the deviation from ideality in liquid phase, modified Raoults law introduced new term which known as a activity coefficient, which denoted by gamma. So modified Raoults law is given by YIP is equal to Xi gamma I Pi saturated, where non-ideality of this liquid phase is denoted by this activity coefficient. Okay, so modified Raoults law becomes YIP is equal to Xi gamma I Pi saturated, where Raoults law that can be given by YIP is equal to Xi Pi saturated. But if there is a non-ideality in a liquid phase, then we have to add one correction factor that denoted by the gamma, which known as the activity coefficient. We will understand what mean by the activity coefficient in chapter number 2. To correct the deviation from ideality, we have to add one correction factor which known as the activity coefficient. So if we are going to add this activity coefficient in this Raoults law, then its equation becomes YIP is equal to Xi gamma I Pi saturated, and it becomes modified Raoults law. For bubble point calculation, modified Raoults law that can be given by P is equal to summation of gamma I Xi Pi saturated. For bubble point calculation, we know that we are taking Yi is equal to 1. For similarly, dew point calculation, we are taking xi is equal to 1 and equation becomes P is equal to 1 upon summation of yi upon gamma I Pi saturated. So, this is all about modified Raoults law. Now, let's discuss about VLE from k-value correlation, a convenient measurement of tendency of given chemical species to partition itself preferentially between liquid and vapor phase is equilibrium ratio Ki, which defined as a Ki is equal to Yi upon Xi. So, this Ki term denote the heaviness and lightness of any mixture. If the value of Ki is greater than 1, which means value of Yi is more than value of Xi. So if value of Yi is larger than value of Xi, which means component I is more present in vapor phase compared to the liquid phase. Now, if value of Ki is less than 1, which means the Xi term is larger than or bigger than Yi term. So if Xi term is bigger than Yi term, the Ki becomes less than 1. So can say that the I component is more than liquid phase. So if we want to know about which component higher in liquid phase or vapor phase, these equations are used. But if we do not know about the mole fraction of particular component, and if we want to know about the which component higher in vapor phase or liquid phase, then that can be possible from the Raoults law or modified Raoults law using partial pressure data. So to find out how we can use the Ki value for using partial pressure data, let's suppose the Raoults law that given by or expressed by Yi P is equal to Xi Pi saturated. Now let's subject to this Yi and Xi. So we will get Yi upon Xi is equal to Pi saturated upon total P. Now replacing this value of Yi Xi from this equation, we will get the Ki is equal to Yi upon Xi is equal to Pi saturated upon P. So if we do not know about the mole fraction of any component, then we can also find which component in vapor phase or which component more in liquid phase using vapor composition data, or can say that partial pressure data. Similarly, we can also use modified Raoults law for find out this. For modified Raoults law, equation expressed by Yip is equal to Xi gamma I Pi saturated. So making subject of Yi upon Xi, this equation becomes gamma I Pi saturated upon P. Now replacing again this Yi upon Xi with this equation, then we will get Ki is equal to Yi upon Xi is equal to gamma I Pi saturated upon P. So this equation used for the modified Raoults law to know about the particular component is more in vapor phase or particular component more in liquid phase. So this is all about vapor liquid equilibrium for K value correlation. Now let's discuss about the flash calculation. Flash calculation is also known as a high pressure VLE, where Raoults law that only used for the low or moderate pressure, but if we want to calculate VLE, then we have to use the flash calculation. An important application of vapor liquid equilibrium is the flash calculation. The name originated from the fact that liquid at pressure equal to greater than its bubble point pressure flash or partial evaporate when pressure is reduced, produce a two-phase system vapor and liquid equilibrium. Consider a system containing 1 mole of non-reacting chemical species with overall composition which represented by the fraction Zi. Let L be a mole of liquid with mole fraction Xi and let V be the mole of vapor with mole fraction Yi. The material balance that can be given by F is equal to L plus B. But if we are going to use 1 mole, then it becomes 1 is equal to L plus B. Now, if we want to do whole mass balance, then let's take this is our equation number 1. This becomes our equation number 2. For whole mass balance, we have to use mole fraction of feed into feed is equal to mole fraction of liquid, which is the Xi into L, plus mole fraction of vapor component into mole of vapor. So this is a whole mass balance, which becomes our equation number 3. For 1 mole, this equation becomes Zi is equal to XIL plus YIV. Now, for flash calculation, at high pressure, all the liquid is converted into the vapor, so that we are replacing this Xi and L. To replace this L, we can use equation number 2. From equation number 2, can say that L is equal to 1 minus V. So replacing this L instead of 1 minus V, we will get Zi is equal to Xi into 1 minus V plus YIV. Now again, if we want to replace this Xi, then that can be replaced by using value of Ki. We know that K value correlation that can be given by Yi upon Xi. So taking this Xi to this side and taking Yi to this side, equation becomes Xi is equal to Yi upon Ki. So replacing this Xi with this Yi upon Ki, we will get Zi is equal to Yi upon Ki into 1 minus V plus Yi into V. So rearranging this equation, we will get Zi is equal to, taking Yi common, so by taking Yi common, this equation becomes 1 minus V upon Ki plus V. Now again, if we are going to rearranging this equation, then it becomes Zi into Ki is equal to Yi into 1 minus V plus Ki into V. Now let make subject to Yi, then this equation becomes Yi is equal to Zi upon Ki upon 1 minus V plus Ki into V. So rearranging this equation, we will get Yi is equal to Zi Ki upon 1 plus V into K minus 1, which becomes our equation for the flash calculation. So this is the equation for the flash calculation. So first we are take the material balance for the feed plus liquid composition plus vapor composition, where F is a mole composition of feed, L is a mole composition of liquid, and V is a mole composition of vapor. By doing the material balance, this equation becomes ZIF is equal to XIL plus VIV. Mole is total mole is a 1. By taking total mole is a 1, we will get F is equal to 1. So this equation becomes Zi is equal to XIL plus VIV. So this Zi is equal to Xi into 1 minus V. By taking this, replacing this L with 1 minus V, we will get Xi into 1 minus V plus YIV. Now if we want to remove this Xi due to this flash calculation, we have to remove the Xi. To remove Xi, we are going to use the K value correlation that can be given by Ki is equal to Yi upon Xi. Now again making Xi as a subject, so this equation becomes Yi upon Ki. So easily we can replace this Xi with Yi upon Ki. So replacing this Xi with Yi upon Ki, we will get Zi is equal to Yi upon Ki into 1 minus V plus Yi upon V. Now taking this Yi common from this both term, we will get Zi is equal to Yi 1 minus V upon Ki. So this is 1 minus V upon Ki plus V. Now taking this Ki to both sides, so if we want to take common this Ki, we have to multiply Ki with both sides. So multiplying Ki with the Zi and V, we will get Zi into Ki is equal to Yi in the bracket 1 minus V plus Ki into V. So this equation in subject of Vi becomes Zi upon Ki 1 minus V plus Ki into V. Now taking this V common, we will get Yi is equal to Zi Ki upon 1 plus V into K minus 1. So this is the flash calculation equation. So this is all about the flash calculation. So in this lecture, discuss about vapor liquid equilibrium by modified Raoults law. Then discuss about the vapor liquid equilibrium for k value correlation, and then discuss about the flash calculation. So this is all about today's lecture. I am completing my lecture here. Thank you.